Sprint has started rolling out a new update to Motorola Moto Z2 Force units on its network. It's a major update that brings along Android 8.0 Oreo. It's been some time the rollout began, so it's likely that some units would have already got the update. For those who are yet to see the notification on their handset, the update should be arriving sooner than later. It's worth mentioning that AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon variants of the Moto Z2 Force have already received Oreo. What's your take on this? Do share your views via comment section below. And like always, do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe this channel. I will be back shortly with another news. Till then, have a great time ahead. Bye bye.